How to enroll to Royal Bank of Canada. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the source bar you need to search for Royal Bank of Canada. Click on Allow, and then head over to this site, Royal Bank. You will land on the official page of Royal Bank of Canada. Once you're in this page, click on Sign In at the top of the screen. Now in this page, what you want to do is, you have to click on Enroll in Online Banking. Click on it. You can see it has asked you, who do you want to enroll today? Let me select myself and then tap on Enroll Now. Tell them if you have the client card or credit card. Once selected, now enter the transit number, account number, your first name, and the last name. After that, click on Continue. Now follow the on-screen process and complete all the verification that you need. Once done, your account will be created successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.